my koutou, Kor Olivia toku ingoa. My name is Olivia.
He mōreina Winton School, Kor Tessa ahau. I'm Tessa. Welcome back to the N.E.W.S news for Ramere the 12th of May.
Let's get into te kupu o te wiki. This week's word is tākaro, which is te reo for playground.
As in, meet you on the tākaro at lunch?
Yes, I'll see you there.
Where are you going?
To the tākaro.
Come back.
Okay.
Ka pai, HI VIZ VESTS. A reminder to remember to wear your HI VIZ vest to and from school.
Your sign for today is green.
To do this, you hold your arm down and place your other hand on top of your wrist and slide your hand upward.
Green. Here's the notices for today.
Can all library leaders and the Year 6-7 children who have given Mrs Gilliland librarian letters meet in the library at morning tea, please?
One birthday at Winton School today. Happy birthday to Elena in room 6, who is 8 today. We hope you have a great birthday.
Also, the news team would like to let you know that there will be no news on Monday and Wednesday next week. And that's it for today. From everyone here at the N.E.W.S news team, ka kite a popo, see you tomorrow.
Stay clean, stay dry, stay awesome, Winton School. I'm going to the tākaro.